Hi, new traders. This video is for beginners. I'm going to be showing you how to mark up your charts and how to identify the best entries for a beginner. So the first thing we're going to do, we are on Trading View. In the left-hand corner, you can click on symbol search and we're going to practice on gold. Gold is XAU USD. All right, and then we're going to start on the 1 minute time frame. I want you to make sure that your candles before you do anything are on Heikin Ashi candles. So please click the candle icon at the top and then go to Heikin Ashi right here, and you're going to star it. All right, there we go. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at these things, and these are called candles, okay? When a candle is making a T or a cross, when it has what these things are called a wick at the top and the bottom, we call these dojis. So this is a doji candle here. All right, these are dojis. And one thing you will always hear us say is look for a flat bottom or a flat top. And right here is a flat top. And then right here is a flat bottom. Okay, so there are our flat bottoms, and here is our flat tops, and these are dojis. So whenever you come to the market, you're always looking to get in a trade when there's a doji and a flat. You really want four flats to begin a series. And let's see if we can look here. You got a doji and you got a flat, and then you got four, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the series for the sale has began. Okay, that's really important. So now we want to see, is the market getting ready to reverse and buy up? If so, you'll get a doji and a flat. And there should be four of them. If you have four, then that 9 times out of 10 means that the market is going to continue to buy. If this candle becomes a doji, then that means that the market is not stable. So we always want to go to the left. Well, this is our toolbar. If you click the first arrow, it's going to allow you to choose a horizontal line. And you always want to put a horizontal line above your buy candle here. And you want to put another horizontal line beneath your low candle. This is going to mark support and resistance. Whenever you trade, regardless to what time frame you're on, you are going to put your support and resistance. And when the market opens and closes above or beneath, then we will know the direction of the market. That is really, really, really important. Okay. So, again, we're always looking for patterns in trading. This is really important for beginners. What is the pattern that you see? Well, we want to see a doji and a flat, and we want to see a pattern begin that looks like stairs. If it does, the market is going to buy. If it breaks out down this way, it's going to sell. We don't believe the direction of the market until the candle open and closes underneath. What do I mean by open and close? Well, let's go and find a candle. Here, this candle has opened and closed, okay? And let's say the market was here. This candle here, it opened and closed. It's not on the line, it's not above, it's not in that box, okay? If we marked a high and low right here, this candle is the one that opened and closed. Once the market opens and closes beneath, okay, the level, then it will continue in that direction. So let's go back to our current level. Remember, get your support and resistance line, and you're going to put it on your low, and then you're going to put the other one on your high. All right. And so what we want to see is the market open and close above this area here. If it does that, then we will believe that the market is going to continue to buy. And this is your very basics for starting to trade. So let's go over that one last time. One last time. You're going to go and check out your time frame. If you're scalping, we're going to go to the 1 minute chart. And then we're going to make sure we click on the candles and we are going to go to Hakanashi candles. Hakanashi candles are different from regular candles. They're momentum candles and they will give you flat tops and flat bottoms. We're always looking for the doji and the flat. We're going to put our support and resistance lines at the top and at the bottom. And we're going to look to see the market is in consolidation, meaning that it's not really moving up for a buy. It's not really moving down for a sale. It's in this area. We are going to wait to see if it open and closes above this area. Is the market going to continue to buy? If it open and closes beneath this area, is the market going to continue to sell? We can go up here and mark the areas of support and resistance when this market broke out here. And so here, that is where we're going to put our line for the high. And then here is where we're going to put our line for the low, okay? Because that's the lowest candle in this area. And these are the highs for the buy. The market opened and closed here. When it opened and closed here, this is where I will consider getting in for a short slash sale. And as you can see, the market continued to move down. All right. When it consolidates, we box up our trade again with the high and the low for support and resistance. So this is for beginners that are looking to see how can I identify if the market is going to move in a sell momentum or if it is going to move in a buy momentum. Please remember to always box up your trade, is what I like to say, by putting your high and your low, and then we wait. We are very patient to see, will the candle open and close underneath this area, or will price open and close above this area? On your right hand side, you have your price moving up and down here. The current price for gold is 3970.2. So pay attention to that as well. Happy trading, traders.